Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go. Fly that airplane, David. Fly it in the sky. Good boy. You flying around the chair, around the room? Fly that airplane. You want to trade? Do you want to trade? No, you like that one? Okay, let's go. Fly the airplane. Fly the airplane in the sky. All done? All done? You want more? More airplanes? Yeah, good job. Ooh, Trey. The airplane's in the sky. Good job. Airplane goes up in the sky. That's right. You want Dad to carry that one? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go. Let's fly the airplanes. Fly the airplanes in the sky. Good boy. Good job. Good boy, David.